gonna hit the telephone pole.
You think?
Like,
That's not supposed to be there.
why the heck did one do that?
Today was not too busy of a day, which was kind of nice. My wife and daughter came into work with us to hang out with some friends, so it was nice to ride into work with them and ride home with them. And another friend and their son came as well, so it was just a big party basically. And we just saw a video from Smarter Every Day that he posted about relearning how to ride a bicycle, and it was really fascinating, so I'll put a link to that in the description, and check it out, because it's always interesting to think about things such as riding a bike, something that a lot of us have learned from a young age, and how our minds and bodies do something super complicated, but then if a little part of that changes, it can throw off the whole system. So check that out, links in the description, and that's pretty much it for today. I hope you guys are having a good day, and I'll see you tomorrow.